In this module, we are going to talk about nature of conflicts. The rapid increase in anti-globalization protests contributed to grow awareness of the negative effects of globalization. It has been realized that globalization can be challenged by global support of communities. The resisting force of anti-globalization clashes with globalization processes due to certain conflicts. So it became possible that the world which is opting globalization as a force to maximize its profit can be resisted through certain anti-globalization forces. Division of labor is one of the major concerns of anti-globalists. Rise of multinational corporations. Multinational corporations search for cheapest locations where they could have less input and more output. So this is what is known as efficiency in economics. Production processes are mostly moved from developed countries to developing countries. Exploitation of labor that was being done by the rich countries, and they were importing the skillful labor from the developing world and concentrating it in the developed world for more profit and maximization of their profit. Less job security. Globalization of economy has led to temporary and less secure jobs. Global market competition marginalizes the less skilled workers. The lower class in developing and underdeveloped countries is getting closer to poverty line. As I initially mentioned, that rich countries used to import skillful labor from the developing world and exploit that labor in the developed world to maximize profit. This is how they were marginalizing the developing world. Transnationalism has contributed to increased trade. International trade increases use of transportation. Transportation uses fossil fuels, which increases global pollution. Climate change is a serious threat to our planet. Owing to the forces of globalization, there is more business activity going on at international level, and it is causing more consumption of fuel and other uh, emission of chlorofluorocarbons in the air, which is damaging the environment and causing a climate change. The increased trend of social media, such as YouTube, connected millions of people around the world. Media promotes Western culture, Western food, dressing, norms, and English language. Multinational corporations are creating monoculture by promoting homogenization. And Facebook, WhatsApp are other apps and media tools which are adding in this uh, promoting of homogenization.